The second common challenge with respect to being proactive, the second common challenge that clients face in their small node installation is to arrive at an optimal Citrix to user server ratio, or it can be any server to user ratio. So since Diagnostics is already tracking all the user load which is there on each server, customers can leverage this readily available information to arrive at an optimal user to user count per server ratio. They can have dashboards such as these. You see, we have 3 dashboards right here. All 3 dashboards are time chart based ones. The one on top tells you about the number of users per server. The second one talks about the performance of small node application. And the last one right here is talking about the performance of database in these servers. So let me kind of zoom into one server. Let's take server 1, for example. So you see around 11 a.m. here, there is a surge in the number of users who are logging into the server. And almost immediately you see there is a dip in the performance of the application, and there is a dip in the performance of the database operations. If I take a look at some other server, let's say server 3, for example, you see that the performance here is great at the beginning of the day, but as the users start to come in over the course of the day, the performance kind of dips a little bit, but it still is able to maintain a steady line. So dashboards such as these can help administrators to easily analyze and arrive at an optimal server to user ratio.